In this recording, we will continue with the video tutorial of Terra Master. How to set your Axis 10 or Axis SP before we start working with it. Let's start from the main menu. We place some shortcut icons at the top and bottom, making it easy for you to quickly switch modes and settings. Click the first icon or sliding from the left to the quick settings. We've built in commonly used commands and functions here, so you can access them from any screen. The second icon is for data. Check the measured coordinates, raw data, codes, and graphics when necessary. Import or export data here. On your tablet or controller, there will be a third icon for connection. For the further details, check the last video tutorial as reference. The right side has 5 icons: automation settings, measurement modes, targets, electronic bubbles, and batteries. If you want to check the software version or the other information, click the bottom right corner. Next, let's take a closer look at the features of the quick settings. Open or close the laser pointer. Guide light. Camera, to aim at your target quickly and accurately. And laser plummet, which can be adjusted from level 0 to 5. Distance measurement is influenced directly by atmospheric conditions. That's why we should change ppm settings here. Target can be selected among reflective sheet, prism, and non-prism mode. We've built in several prism parameters for you. You can either select one directly or set your own. eBubble is a useful tool that helps you to level up the device. We have 3 measure modes optional, and times for best accuracy from 1 to 20 times, and tracking mode for best speed. Then we can quickly operate and set the motorization. PS left means prism search from left to right, anti-clockwise direction. PS right means prism search from right to left. In the automatic settings, you can define the automated operations of the robotic total station when measuring in non-prism mode or with a reflective sheet. The automation must be turned off to prevent it from engaging APR or locking mode. When APR is selected, it will execute auto prism recognition without locking upon measurements. When lock is selected, it will execute APR plus lock command. When clamp and tangent screw is not checked, the robotic total station cannot be adjusted by those tangent screws. Check this option to enable hand wheel control. Click F1 left 2 to change between phase 1 and phase 2. Click a PR to make Axis 10 or Axis SP immediately execute the auto prism recognition. Click Rotate to turn to the specified vertical and horizontal angles. Joystick is a useful tool when your prism is out of range. The rotation speed can be changed. If the automation mode is lock, it will execute APR plus lock when the joystick stops moving. When quick code function is on, you can call the full code by quick code immediately. Here, let's add to codes: O1 for housing, O2 for roads. When collecting points, you can enter O1 to call the code house. Then we have the demo mode to demonstrate the motorization performance. And record to record the software by video. Now we are going to talk about the settings of Terra Master. Click Unit Settings to set the angle among degrees, gon, and mil. Distance unit is optional in meters and feet. Then we can set the unit for temperature and pressure here. If you want to change the angle settings, zenith 0 or horizontal 0 can be changed here. And the tilt compensation. In distance settings, you can change the minimum readings between 1 mm and 0.1 mm, changing the scale, elevation, and atmospheric refraction. Swipe down for the temperature and pressure sensors, measure modes, targets, prism constants, and the others. In coordinate settings, The coordinate display can be selected between NEZ or ENZ based on personal habits. It also allows storing points with the same ID. Simply turn on this switch. Automotorization settings can be configured in automatic settings. The automation mode can be selected here too. Click OK to enable the clamp and tangent screw. Click No to disable it. Sometimes the target may be blocked by other objects. In this case, you can enable the prism prediction feature. If the target lost time exceeds the time limit, for example 1 second, it will execute the operation according to the when target lost option. It will stop motion, start auto prism recognition, start prism search, or turn to the last position. The prism search window can be set by your own, including the searching range, minimum and maximum distance. You can select the searching direction. Disable the retrace and fast search functions here. Click Communication Settings to switch to the TS Connector program. In Assistant page, we can configure some useful features. Turn on or off the reticle backlight, which can be adjusted from level 1 to 10. Set the brightness of laser plummet from level 0 to 5. Activate the quick code function. And turn on the crossfall call function here. If you want to reset the settings as default, click this button and repeat the code. Here, Terra Master comes with several built-in calibration programs to ensure the consistent accuracy. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope this helps you get the most out of your Axis 10 and Axis SP. Thanks for watching.